What's going on, Toyota fans? Lorenzo here, aka the Zodios. So today is a special day. We're actually at a 2025 Toyota 4Runner training for Toyota. Stay tuned. All this camping stuff, huh?
The new color, Everest.
Everest green.
Your right-hand turn signal. There you go. So we'll back into drive. You can. And we're going to head across this field. Be able to select on your MTS, select mud, because we're going to
take pictures, video. You can step up closer. Just do not get in the front or rear half of the vehicle, and you're good. You could slip back or stay out of the path.
All right, guys, that concludes the session. I have a lot of energy now, a little wet from being outside, off-roading. My boots are muddy, but pretty exciting stuff. If you guys want to stay up to date with all things Toyota, make sure to follow my content, like, share, subscribe, depending on where you're watching this. Just go to thezodios.com and subscribe to my newsletter.